Here's how you can add yellow vintage subtitles on CapCut on your Mac and PC. So the first thing you want to do is either create a new project or open up a pre-existing project on CapCut. Once that's done, import the video you want to add captions to, drag and drop it to your timeline, and then what you want to do is you want to go under text, auto captions, generate, so that will auto generate the captions for us. Then what I like to do, I like to move this playhead so it's over the caption so I can see it while I adjust it. I'll change the color to this color. F3, 78, press enter. Make sure apply to all is ticked if you want to change all the captions together. Then I change the font to Arial. You can search up Arial here if you don't have it under recents. Then I make it italicized. Usually I capitalize the first letter of the first caption, so we'll change that. And then in terms of other things I do, I usually add a stroke, 40% thickness, usually add a shadow. Here are the shadow settings I usually use. And the other thing I usually do is I try to make it smooth. So here I don't like how it's yellow and then vintage subtitles is on a different caption. So what I do to fix that, I'll manually change this to yellow vintage subtitles, and then I'll subtitles move this so it starts on and we'll extend this, and usually I extend it all the way to the first frame, extend it all the way to the last frame, and there you go. Here's how you can add yellow vintage subtitles on CapCut on your Mac and PC. My name is Junius. I help people make and strategize educational content. For more CapCut tutorials like this, check out this playlist here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.